Hello, we are Rachel, Nayla, and Joelle. And our research question is, could gas loss explain why our voice changes when we are sick? Gas laws help explain voice changes when we are sick because blocked airways reduce air volume and increase pressure, which changes airflow and affects how the vocal cords vibrate, making the voice sound different. When we are sick, our voice often sounds hoarse or different. We wanted to investigate whether gas laws
why this happens. Now the hypothesis. This increased pressure may affect airflow through the vocal cords, causing changes in sound and voice.
If the volume of air decreases, then the pressure will increase. We use the FET gas property simulation to investigate Boyle's law. Our independent variable is volume and our dependent variable is pressure. We kept temperature and the number of gas particles constant to ensure a fair test.
We gradually decreased the volume and recorded the corresponding pressure values.
As we reduce the volume of the container, we observe that the pressure increases. This shows an inverse relationship between pressure and volume.
When you are sick, your airway swells and fills with mucus. You can think of the airway like the volume in our experiment. When it swells, the space gets smaller. For example, from 10 liters to 5 liters or even 2 liters. The mucus acts like extra particles in the space, making it harder for air to move. As the volume decreases, the pressure increases, which changes how air flows through the vocal cords. This causes them to vibrate differently, making your voice sound hoarse or different.
Data and graph. This is our table and graph. Our data shows that when volume decreases, pressure increases. Hence, the graph forms a curve confirming an inverse relationship consistent with Boyle's law. Findings. Our results support our hypothesis as decreasing volume led to an increase in pressure, confirming the inverse relationship described by Boyle's law, clearly showing an inverse relationship exactly as predicted, based on the gas laws used. In conclusion, our investigation shows that gas laws, specifically Boyle's law, can help explain why our voices change when we are sick.
Thank you for watching.